In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or cancel a Google Ads account. Before we begin, a quick but important note. The path we're using removes your entire Google account, which also cancels your Google Ads account. This is permanent and affects all Google services tied to that account, so make sure this is truly what you want to do. Start by opening your browser and going to your Google Ads account. Sign in to the correct profile you intend to delete. Double-check you're in the right account, especially if you manage multiple profiles, because the action you're about to take can't be undone. Once you're in Google Ads, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, choose Manage Your Google Account. This will take you out of the Ads interface and into your main Google account settings, where privacy and data options are managed. In the Google Account Settings page, find and select the Data and Privacy tab. This section controls how your information is handled across Google services. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options here. It's the best place to review what's stored in your account and how it's used. Now scroll down the page until you reach the section that relates to deleting your account. When you see the option labeled Delete Google Account, click it. Again, this removes your entire Google account, not just Google Ads. That means Gmail, Drive, Photos, YouTube, and any other connected Google services will be deleted along with your Ads account. After clicking, you'll likely be asked to verify your identity. You'll then see a summary of what will be removed, along with checkboxes, acknowledging that you understand the consequences. This is your chance to pause and, if needed, back up anything important first. Consider downloading your data, saving invoices or reports from Google Ads, and making sure you won't lose access to anything you still need. If you're confident and ready, follow the on-screen prompts to finalize the deletion. Once confirmed, your Google Ads account will be cancelled as part of the overall Google account removal. If your goal is only to stop your ads from running, rather than removing everything, consider alternatives like pausing campaigns or closing just the ads account instead of deleting your entire Google account. Those options are less permanent and may suit most situations. That's it. You went to your Google Ads account, opened your profile menu, selected Manage Your Google Account, navigated to Data and Privacy, scrolled down, and clicked Delete Google Account. Proceed carefully and make sure you've backed up what you need before you confirm.